Hey everyone, I have the Curls monthly unboxing for November. I actually have two of them this month. I have the Curated as always, and then this month I decided to do the pick where you could pick the 5 products you want from the vault because there was a product that I really wanted to try, and going about it through Curls monthly just made the most sense. So let's just get to it. I'm not sure which one's which, so we'll find out. Let's get started opening it up. See which one this is. I'm not quite sure. And then Curls monthly, every month you get 5 products delivered, and you could pick the Curated that they pick for you, or you could pick 5 products you want. And I am an affiliate, so if you want to save money, you could go through my link. I can message it to you. It's in my bio. Save some money, and I can help you that way. So this one is the Curated one. So that's what we're going to go through first. So they always have a little pamphlet that comes with it talking about a member, and then they show you a sneak peek of the next month, which looks really good. Wow, cool. December looks great. So there is that. So first you get in the Curated a full-size mousse, and I'm excited to try this because this is actually not an actual mousse. So this is by Cake Beauty, the Curl Friend. This is a gel to foam. That's really interesting. Curl shape stay gel to foam. It's like a gel in there. I thought this was a mousse. That's really, really interesting. How does it smell? Of course, I always have to sniff everything. Smells lemony. You'd think like cake, you'd think it'd be like sweet and more gourmand, but it's a very like lemony citrus scent. But gel de foam, I cannot wait to try that. Love cruelty free, very important. You can see the little leaping bunny right there, and then actually that's not leaping bunny, that's a cruelty free bunny. Next we have, I think this is another full size. This is called the Dew Gangster Wrap Foaming Wrap Lotion. So this is like a foam mousse. A soft hold one-step styler, blowout roller sets pixies for textured hair. When I saw that this product was in there, I actually did go ahead to Google it. This is cruelty-free too. How does it smell? I never tried anything by this brand. Cake, I've tried stuff by them and liked them in the past, so I do look forward to trying that. Oh, this smells really good. Really nice. It's a really fruity scent. I like how that smells. So I guess I would just use this as a one-step styler, as like a foam, as I would use a foam. It's nourishing, hydrating, helps to safeguard delicate curls from heat damage. Cool. Right now, 2 for 2 full-size products. I mean, that's awesome. Then we have this here is by Odell, and this is their leave-in conditioner, and this is a good 2-size product. I've heard a lot about this brand. I actually picked up a few of their products from Target that I'm yet to try, so now I have this to go with it. I actually didn't pick this up. I think I picked up their air dry styler, their gel, maybe one more thing. But this is a really great brand if you have any sensitivities. I believe they're unscented. But yeah, clean beauty for you and your people. There's a lot of stuff that it excludes for sensitivities, but I always love a good leave-in. Yeah. Oh, plant proteins. Wait, it's not 100% natural fragrance. That's what it is. Let's see how the natural fragrance smells. Take off the heat seal. It's very light. You want to see the consistency? Ooh. I wasn't expecting that. Well, that's the consistency. Very runny, actually. And I don't redo my videos, you know. I'm spaz. I'm awkward. I'm me. That is yeah, it's very light. Another, like, citrusy. Not bad, though. Well, that feels really good. Let's rub that in the hands. This is day 3 here, by the way. I used a little more product than usual for day 3 because it is raining in New Jersey, and I am going out after this. But I like how it came out. This feels really nice. There's a lot of slip to this. I'm looking forward to trying this. There's a towel just to wipe some of that off. So then we have one more thing. Oh, 2 more things. So this is Mark Anthony Strictly Curls Curl Envy Cream. Heard a lot about this. Avocado oil and shea butter. So again, I love that there's all cruelty-free products in here. Gotta sniff. My hands. I don't know if I'm gonna get this off right now. Oh goodness, I don't want to waste time. So we're gonna I'll have to let you guys know how this one smells. I'm gonna be wasting too much time, but I heard great stuff about this cream. 1.7 fluid ounces, a nice really generous travel size. So I haven't tried anything by Mark Anthony, but I heard great things. I think I said that like 14 times. And then last but not least, by Malibu C Color Prepare, preps hair for color success, extends vibrancy, less fading. So this is I think it's like powder or crystals, and you use it, what is it, like before you shampoo or instead of shampoo? Goodness, that's I can't read the directions. Oh my goodness. Weekly, or shampoo, rinse, and then you pour the crystals across wet palms, and then you use this, rinse thoroughly, and then you use conditioner. So you use this between shampoo and conditioner to help repair damaged hair. I think that's what that's saying. So for colored hair, but I guess, I mean, my hair is not colored or anything, but maybe it'll make my natural hair color look good, but cool. I wonder if this is a one-time use, so you get a few uses out of this. I'll have to look into that, but wow. This month's Curated mailer is like really, really, really good. I'm really excited for everything. I haven't tried anything. Real great full sizes, generous travel sizes. Yeah, I'll have to do reviews and let you guys know what I think. If you tried anything, let me know. And if you want to try anything, please use my link. That would be appreciated. Hey everyone, I have the Curls Monthly, the personalized mailer this month. Maybe you just watched me. I just unboxed or enveloped, whatever you want to call it, the curated one for November. I don't always get the personalized one, but there was a product I really wanted, so I did get it in November. So let's get to what I picked out. Always comes with a little note and showing you what's in the next month's Curated. So this was the product what made me get this Curated mailer, because I really wanted to try this, and it's a full size. So this is the Olaplex number 10 Curl Defining Gel. I keep hearing a lot of good things about this gel, and the cost of this gel alone, especially after if you use my discount, is pretty much the cost of this whole mailer. So you could either get the gel or get the gel and pick 4 other products. So I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer, but excited to try this. Heard great things. I will definitely review and let you know. So what else did I get? I don't even remember. This is, what is this? Olaplex number 9 Bond Protecting Nourishing Hair Serum. I heard a lot of good things about this too, actually. I picked this over a month ago. I don't even remember that I picked this, but I'm excited to try it. This is supposed to be a really good oil serum. I might have tried this years ago, but no, I think I liked it. A little goes along right with that, if I'm recalling correctly. Then we have this, the Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector, and this is a bond builder. I've used this years ago, really liked it. This is the full size too, actually. So let me tell you, it's about, I think if you use my discount link for this mailer, it comes to, I want to say $30. This alone is around $30. This alone is $30. So right there. I'm not good at math, guys. I failed math a lot in school, but you still get in 3 more products. Just saying. So I use other bond builders that I love, but because I haven't yet used the Olaplex number 3 in a few years, my hair's changed so much since the last time I used it. I wanted to get this in my rotation again. So Olaplex number 3, and then 2 more products. We have Inner Sense. I wanted to try these. This was another brand that I used so many years ago when my hair was drastically different that I wanted to give it a try. One concern is that the way these smell, I'm hoping that my husband's okay with this scent, that he doesn't react. We'll see, because we both have sensitive noses. So this is Inner Scent Quiet Calm Curl Control, a styling cream to hydrate, shape, and define curls. Let me actually smell it. No heat seal. That's kind of bizarre. That's actually really light. Why did I think that smelled stronger? I don't smell. Is this unscented now? Because that would be amazing. Hold on. Oh no, there's a very light scent. Oh, that's great. There's a very, 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 very light citrus scent. I thought that scent was going to be stronger. That's good news. And then last but not least is the Inner Sense I Create Hold. And this is a styling gel for hold and shine. So this smells like, well, that's the consistency. You guys could see that. This is a stronger scent than the other one. And again, orange. It has an orange scent to it, very like orange juice. I want to drink that. Actually, it smells really good. But we'll try it. I actually have other Inner Sense stuff that I have to try in my stash, which is why I wanted to get these to go with those. But very excited to try these, especially this gel that I've heard a lot about, and people recommended this to me when I did a video about stronghold gels. They said try this one. So like a personalized mailer, you would go into the vault and pick what you wanted. I mean, they have great brands in that, as you could see. If you need any help and you go to my link, I will be more than happy to help you too. So that's what I picked, and I'll see you next time.